Now, from Apple, the company that taught the world how to live without a headphone jack and live with 1,000 dongles around your MacBook comes Big Sur, an operating system so upsetting that you'll want to drive up to Cupertino and confront Tim Cook. Ask anyone who saw the death marks of the macOS experience. No one does trillions like Apple. Why is that? Some years ago, Apple learned that a frustrated user is an internalized user. One, despite the appearance, actually not much is more. But we didn't stop there. We set up and devised the most torturous computing experience ever created. Coming the worst from iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. We codenamed the new project macOS iPad macOS, the first operating system specifically designed to make Macs look like nothing and a paperweight. The result was Big Sur, an operating system so overblown everyone would have problems downloading it. Not every software is ready for it. Not until you spend thousands of dollars on the M1 Max, but it'll be worth it, because here you'll see more crashes than a NASCAR rodeo. Even more iMessage improvements that make someone think you are still texting on an iPhone, but you still can't play that random game. And a new iOS-style interface that makes people think you have iOS, more iOS, iPadOS, and more around the edges all in eye-popping Mac style! Wow. We've also told people there will be no more Intel Macs, selling you computers with our new powerful processors. Apple Silicon is so secure, so powerful that your next Mac will run like molasses without it. We actually called the new innovation DDS, or doesn't do shit. My god, it doesn't. Followed by the same rubbish that the cigarette companies told you, it's got more holes than your typical Intel processor. But rest easy, because every copy of macOS Big Sur is covered by our famous sinkhole of support. Apple's careless business practices towards the customer has become the gold standard for today's biggest companies. Calls with a problem? Then you'll have to pay another thousands to get one simple thing fixed. If you don't like what we're trying to offer you, then you'll have to go to the Mayo Clinic to get our sales department off your ass. Yes, find out why we say Big Sur, doing it all in different ways, sorta.